DJM TV.
I'm tired though. I'm really fed up. Oh. I'm really fed up. This is not how to live. Oh. This is not how to live. Oh. Eh? See, if you know me very well, you know that I love to watch news at least every day. I love to watch news. For some people, it's movies. Me, I love to watch news. But it's difficult now. It's becoming frustrating. These days, if I tune on to CNN, they're taking census of how many people that have died from COVID-19. That thing can be very depressing. But if you think that CNN and their COVID-19 head count is depressing, don't even go near Nigerian news if you want to live long. Don't go near any Nigerian news at all. In fact, if I begin smoking Igbo tomorrow, it's not bad company. Oh. It's Nigeria. It's Nigeria problem. It's frustrating. You can't watch Nigerian news without going insane. Because you cannot make sense of it. You cannot just make sense of it. You'll be watching, you tune from station to station, you're seeing different analysts analyzing how to make Nigeria wonderful. In fact, it looks like every other Nigerian knows the solution to Nigeria's problem, except the people who are supposed to solve the problem. Except the people who are supposed to, that's the ones that we are paying to solve the problem. They are the only people who do not know. But every other analyst on TV has solution. So while they are busy analyzing how to make the refineries work, or so that we can buy fuel cheap here, pure breaking news, they have carried some school children to where we do not know. And before you know, another news, government is telling how to settle bandits. Then one governor is telling you that bandits are not all bandits are criminals. Pure defense minister will land here and say, oh, if you people are not cowards, you should be thinking how to defend yourself. You're still trying to make sense of that one. Again, yeah, some people don't kill people because of Nama. Like, I don't even understand what is happening. There's nowhere, no channel you tune and you see good news about Nigeria. They're just trying to run me mad. But they will not succeed. They will not succeed. Can you not tune any Nigerian channel like this and just hear small news? Like, oh, one Nigerian researcher maybe has found cure to Jedi. Just small something that can bring joy. You understand? The whole nation of more than 200 million people, you cannot find one positive news. The only news you can maybe hear on Nigerian TV is maybe they are doing wedding somewhere. Even that wedding, if you tune back maybe another how many months, you hear they've divorced. This thing is just to try to make sense out of Nigeria, and it's frustrating. But you people will not drive me mad. Instead, I'll just off this TV or sell it and have peace.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like it. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.